With what judge?
What do you mean with what?
With what judge would be there? Is it you?
I am the judge, yes.
This disrespectful woman walked into court with attitude, and the judge didn't hesitate to put her in her place.
We have the plaintiff, Aricia Sanchez, present. We do not have the defendant, Rodman Realty, or Don Rodman present. So I'm going to look over the docket.
How long do they have? Because if someone's not present, then we should be able to move forward after a certain time.
Ma'am?
And I'm in nursing school.
Ma'am, I will control how this one goes. And so I will tell you the procedure today. I understand that you sound sort of frustrated, but
Because I've been waiting for approximately 25 minutes. Court was at 11:30. If we're required to be here at a certain time, it should be starting at a certain time.
Do you think, oh, no, that's not how that works. Do you think you're the only individual that has a case on today?
No, I'm not saying that at all.
Okay,
I'm
well, then
saying
you
my
wait
court was
until
scheduled
you're-
for 11:30. So don't be
Well,
disrespectful.
Okay, you can go back into the waiting room and then I'll call you back after I handle the next matter. Thank you. Ms. Sanchez, let's try this again. So it looks like in this situation, you asked for us to cancel the trial date because there was some kind of a conflict with your schedule.
Yep.
But it looks like the defendants are not here, so I'm not quite sure why they're not here. We can go ahead and set a new trial date and then we can send them notice of the new trial date. So.
Okay, sounds great. Thank you.
Okay, so October 8th at 3 p.m. is the new trial date. That means that you need to drop off exhibits by September 26th. And please bring 2 copies of every exhibit that you wish to use at trial, okay? Sanchez didn't want to do it today, so it needs to be pushed out to a different date so she can be in person. Let's go ahead and look at the dates. So the next availability is November 19th at 3 p.m. Does that work for all parties?
We'll make it work here.
With what judge?
What do you mean with what?
With what judge would be there? Is it you?
I am the judge, yes.
Okay, well, I'm going to put in a request for a different judge because I would like a fair trial and I don't think you're being very fair with me.
That's wonderful. Please file the paperwork. That
I
would be great.
definitely will.
Sounds great. So I believe you already, Rodman Realty, you guys already presented 2 copies of everything, right? So you don't need to double up. Okay. Nothing was received from the plaintiff. You
Rodman
have until
has-
November 7th to submit any evidence that you would like to submit. It needs to be 2 copies of everything. So that way Rodman Realty can come and pick up anything they may need.
Rodman has received exhibits online. I'm not going to argue with you. You're being extremely disrespectful yourself. And I have rights as a citizen and in a courtroom.
I'm really sorry. I removed her into the waiting room for her to cool down for a second.
Okay. But you see what we've been dealing with.
I'm not going to make a comment on that, but you don't get to talk to people like that, especially to a judicial officer. So I'm going to give her a second to calm down.
Okay.
So yes, I am witnessing a lot, but I'm not going to make a comment on it. But yes,
Of course. Right.
it is disrespectful.